Ford just expanded the Bronco lineup with a factory-built RTR trim for 2027, and it's packing performance upgrades that are making both off-road veterans and weekend warriors stop in their tracks. If you've ever wanted serious off-road capability without paying Raptor prices or voiding your warranty with aftermarket modifications, this new RTR trim is solving exactly that problem. And this novelty is just one of many things that make the 2027 Ford Bronco so great. Let's check it out. RTR joins the lineup. The 2027 model year will bring something the Bronco lineup has never seen before, a factory-built RTR trim that's slotting right into the hierarchy between Badlands and Raptor territory. For years, performance-minded Bronco buyers faced a frustrating choice, either settle for what Ford offered from the factory or buy a truck and immediately hand it over to an upfitter for modifications that voided warranties and added weeks to the delivery timeline. Ford's Michigan assembly plant is about to eliminate that headache entirely, churning out RTRs straight from the factory floor with full warranty coverage and immediate availability. You'll spot the RTR from a mile away thanks to Hyperlime accents splashed across the hood graphics, rock rings, and those exclusive 17-inch bead lock-capable wheels. The front end wears a unique RTR grille that separates it from the rest of the pack, while the body sits on heritage fenders, straighter and more angular than the rounded units found on standard Broncos. The Avalanche gray paint is shared with the Mustang RTR, while 4 different appearance packages allow buyers to dial in exactly how much lime gets splashed across their rig. The hood and bodyside graphics pull design inspiration from topographic maps of Johnson Valley's 96,000 acres of off-road heaven, where RTR vehicles developed and validated every component. And while those exterior upgrades will definitely turn heads, they're just the opening act. The real performance story is happening underneath, where Ford engineers made changes that fundamentally transform how this Bronco attacks challenging terrain. Genuine capability. Every RTR is rolling on the turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4, paired exclusively with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission. The engine puts out 300 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque in its standard configuration, though Ford is keeping official output numbers close to the vest for now. Anyone who's charged across deep sand knows the frustration of losing momentum when you lift off the throttle to adjust your line. That split second of turbo lag can mean the difference between powering through or getting stuck. What separates the RTR from garden variety Broncos is the anti-lag turbo programming that's been lifted straight from Ford's Baja mode setup. The engine controller cuts fuel delivery while keeping the throttle plate wide open, ensuring air continues flowing through the engine and exhaust to keep that turbocharger spooled and ready for instantaneous throttle response. Ford rated the Bronco Raptor parts bin for critical components. The RTR gets the same 1,000-watt cooling fan that keeps the Raptor's powertrain from overheating during marathon desert sessions, while the steering system gets reinforced with Raptor spec rack and tie rods built to handle the higher loads that come with rock crawling and high-speed desert running. The suspension setup comes in 2 flavors. Standard RTRs roll on Ford's high-clearance suspension paired with Bilstein shocks and 33-inch all-terrain tires, a combination that's never been offered in a factory Bronco until now. Those RTR-specific wheels feature a higher offset that widens the track by approximately 2 inches, matching the stance of Sasquatch-equipped Broncos for improved stability. Hardcore buyers can step up to the Sasquatch package, which swaps in 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory RT tires and Ford's Haas 3.0 suspension system with Fox internal bypass dampers. Previously, you could only get the suspension setup with the Badlands trim, making the RTR the most accessible route to Ford's premium off-road suspension technology. But the RTR doesn't exist in isolation. It's joining a Bronco family that's already proven itself as one of the most capable off-road platforms on the market. Off-road excellence. The RTR represents the newest addition to an already impressive Bronco family that's been dominating trails since its 2021 return. Both 2-door and 4-door configurations remain available across the lineup, and every single Bronco rolls with 4-wheel drive that requires manual engagement and disengagement. Anyone who's driven a Jeep Wrangler on the highway knows the constant steering corrections get exhausting fast. That vague, wandering feel makes long road trips a chore. Ford engineered the Bronco with independent front suspension that delivers a massive advantage over competitors still running live axles at both ends. The result? More precise steering, better on-road manners, and significantly improved daily driver capability that won't leave you worn out after a few hours behind the wheel. Removable doors and convertible tops transform the Bronco from an enclosed SUV to an open-air adventure machine in minutes. Serious off-roaders can option electronic locking front and rear differentials, while the anti-roll bar disconnect feature extends wheel travel for maximum articulation manipulation over technical terrain. Fat 35-inch mud terrain tires and beadlock-capable wheels are available for those planning to spend serious time in the rocks. Hard plastics dominate the interior surfaces, though that's intentional design. When you're running with the doors off and roof removed, marine-grade materials and rubberized flooring make cleanup a breeze after muddy adventures. All these capabilities are impressive, but they're meaningless without the right powertrain backing them up, which is where Ford's engine lineup enters the conversation. Powertrain options. Base models run the aforementioned turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4, with 0 to 60 times around 7.1 seconds with the automatic transmission. For enthusiasts who want complete control over gear selection when navigating technical terrain, the manual transmission option takes 7.4 seconds to reach 60, but purists will gladly accept that trade-off for the engagement of rowing their own gears through Ford's 7-speed stick. Step up to the twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6, and the performance picture changes dramatically. This engine pumps out 330 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque, shaving nearly a full second off the 0 to 60 run with a 6.2-second sprint. The V6 pairs exclusively with the 10-speed automatic, which shuffles through ratios smoothly and finds the right gear for any situation. Fuel economy takes a hit across the board, with the 4-cylinder returning estimates around 18 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway. The V6 manages 19 miles per gallon in city driving, but drops to 21 miles per gallon on the highway. Add the Sasquatch package with those massive 35-inch tires, and fuel economy plummets solidly into the teens. The four-wheel drive system requires driver input to engage, maintaining a traditional approach that gives experienced off-roaders full control. These engines handle most situations with ease, but for buyers who refuse to compromise on anything, Ford has something truly special at the top of the range: the ultimate Bronco. For buyers who want the absolute pinnacle of Bronco performance, the Bronco Raptor sits at the top of the food chain. This beast packs a 418 horsepower twin-turbo V6 that launches the truck from 0 to 60 in just 5.6 seconds, performance that embarrasses plenty of sports cars. Most off-road trucks force you to choose between crawling capability and desert speed, leaving you compromised in one direction or the other. The Raptor gets a maxed-out roster of off-road conquering equipment that includes Fox internal bypass dampers, massive suspension travel, reinforced frame components, and protection plates underneath, allowing you to tackle technical rock sections in the morning and charge across wide-open desert washes at triple-digit speeds that same afternoon. Advanced dampers adjust on the fly to match terrain conditions, while the wider track and long-travel suspension allow the Raptor to carry significantly more speed over rough terrain than standard Broncos can handle. With capabilities ranging from entry-level adventure seeker to full-blown desert runner, Ford structured the pricing to make sure there's a Bronco for virtually every budget. Pricing. Ford is positioning the 2027 Bronco lineup to cover a wide price range. Base models are about to start around $43,000. Big Bend trims will run approximately $44,000. Black Diamond sits around $48,000. Outer Banks models target $51,000. Badlands trims command roughly $52,000. And the Heritage Edition checks in near $54,000. The new RTR slots in around $57,000. Here's what makes that pricing significant. You're getting suspension technology that previously required stepping up to the expensive Badlands Sasquatch, factory anti-lag programming that used to mean aftermarket tuning and voided warranties, and Raptor-grade cooling and steering components, all for roughly $13,000 less than the full Bronco Raptor's $82,000 price tag. Order books for the 2027 Bronco RTR are opening in October 2026, with first deliveries scheduled to hit driveways in January 2027. The 2027 Bronco RTR fills a gap that Ford's lineup desperately needed: a factory-backed performance option that delivers serious capability without requiring six-figure budgets or aftermarket modifications. With anti-lag technology borrowed from Baja Racing, suspension components lifted from the Raptor parts bin, and pricing that undercuts the range-topping model by over $20,000, the RTR is positioned to become the sweet spot in Ford's off-road lineup. Whether you're planning weekend trail runs or serious desert racing, this new trim offers a level of factory performance that was simply unavailable until now. Could these updates finally make the Bronco the segment? It's hard to tell. The Wrangler is still there, and besides excellent off-road performance, it also comes with numerous hidden features you can check out in our next video. These Easter eggs might look like a small thing, but they make a great impact on the overall ownership experience.